The first and most obvious thought that jumps out to me is the car in the ditch in the mining area. Is it possible for all the talk of domestic abuse, drugs, and organized crime is Premium Meowcrobiology Shirt? Could it be as simple as that after leaving his new girlfriend, presumably where the beer and wine were consumed, H ran off the road, took the torch, and set out for help? At some point, likely still the worse for wear, he stumbled into disused workings? I have no doubt the police. Premium Meowcrobiology Shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, although that scenario would not fit very well with the engine being found still running, nor the fact he had left his spare keys in the car. However, perhaps it might not be too impossible to believe he didn't stop the engine so the headlights would allow him to find his way back with help, especially if he set out over Premium Meowcrobiology Shirt. The keys though, that is harder to explain with the facts to hand. In regards to potential death by misadventure, I find the fact the torch was missing from his car very suggestive. Other product.